He's not letting them in, is he? Whoa! Wow! 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 Let him in. They didn't hit, did they? Oh yeah, they fucking smacked. Oh, did they? Oh yeah. Wow. I'd be so
Question, tell me what you think about me. I'm my own diamonds and I'm my own. Living this
Oh my God.
According to European and Ukrainian officials. President Trump said Friday he would meet with Putin in Alaska on August 15th following Putin's proposal. He didn't provide additional information about the meeting or the exact location. The Kremlin didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. European officials expressed serious reservations about Putin's proposals, which would require that Ukraine hand over eastern Ukraine, a region known as the Donbass, without Russia committing to much other than stopping fighting. The offer, which Putin conveyed Wednesday to U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff in Moscow, said
oh my God.
It's okay. I'm just. Eric, Ivor, what are you doing?
Oh my God.
Kidding me? That guy was on his phone too. He's just.
Come on, police say he deliberately targeted dozens of pedestrians with an SUV. No one was killed. That huge wildfire in Southern California has become the largest in history.
Low head gasket, cool. Oh. Did I call that shit or what? Oh, wow. I want to smell this. That's oil smoke. Yeah, you're.
You think that's what he really did?
Yeah. Well, he blew the motor up.
Holy shit, are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, take a picture, hurry up. Hurry up. Because you gotta take a picture of what you called. Oh, that's a bad day. Holy damn it, boy.
Shoulder.